Good morning, how are you? This is Darlene from Rowe Brothers. Did you know that Rowe has an entire section in the back of our store that is dedicated to cleaning products? From Bona to contractor bags, any type of cleaner and sanitizer imaginable. We have brooms, mops, sponges. We have Miss Meyers cleaning products also. We have command strips, we have felt, we have shelves, sheeting, screening, mailboxes, locks, anything you could possibly imagine, we have in the back of this store. We also can order it for you if you do not find it, and it gets delivered here for no delivery fee. So come on down to Rowe Brothers, walk the store, check it out, and see what Rowe has in store for you. Have a good day.